It was Mother's Day. Brenda wants to get a gift for her mom, but Brenda is poor. Brenda does not have a job. She decides to make a gift. She decides to get flowers from her backyard. She goes to her backyard. She sees bushes and trees. She doesn't see any flowers. She goes to her neighbor's house. She asks to see their garden. They let her in. Their garden is beautiful. There are many flowers. There are big flowers. There are small flowers. There are roses. There are tulips. She has a lot to choose from. She gets a little bit of everything. She thanks her neighbor.